Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a brand new song from Bryan called Hopefully, which was released very recently. So we're bang up to date. Standard tuning, but capoed at the 2nd fret puts us into the same key as Bryan, okay? So without more to do, I'm going to go through an intro, or the intro, 2 verses, a pre-chorus and a chorus for you, break it all down, show exactly how I played it, and you should be good to go for the song. There's a further pre-chorus and a chorus to follow, I believe, but so you've already covered that in the lesson, so you've got everything you need, okay? My singing, as usual, purely for reference only. Unfortunately, I don't sing or phrase my song quite like Bryan, so you have to make me allowances on that one. Cut me some slack, as he would say, I think. Okay. So anyway, let's get to it, and then we can get you going on this song. So here we go. I barely know if I'll be alive tomorrow, let alone if the people I trust will stay. So what I'm needing while I'm breathing is to be content this evening, if I'm hoping tomorrow either way. And I don't think those city girls are right for me, 'cause I don't fall for shallow pleasantries. And the conversation's nice, but all the talking don't seem right to a soul like the silence and the trees. And this world's expecting so much from the man, gets so wrecked on Saturdays that he can barely stand. And if you could cut some slack, I got good times on my lap, and I'd like to feel them all while I still can. 'Cause I got hope in tomorrow and to live yesterday, to find a way to forgive me. Then maybe I could find just a little peace of mind and carry on tomorrow, hopefully. And carry on tomorrow, hopefully. Something like that, you get the idea, don't you? Right, let's break it down for you then. Right, the intro. It starts off, obviously I don't know if he does it all the time, but he starts off with a sort of muted strum, just rests his hands or somewhere up high end of the fretboard here, just rests his fingers on the strings, not pressing them, and just does a couple of sort of those sort of things, you know, just sort of quick strum, muted, and then he goes into an F chord, okay? So, and basically during most of this song, if not all of the song, he's just playing the bottom half of the strings from 6, 5, 4 and 3, okay? He's not tending to hit the high strings at all. It's all that sort of high, sort of low end strum, okay? So after he's done his muted, he goes into an F, because what he's playing there is going into an F chord. It has to be a bar chord if you want to play it like Bryan, and it's just a sort of, and then goes up to a G chord, but only using those 2 fingers, okay? And he hits the G chord, lower end of the strings again, and then opens up that 2nd finger and then strums down and hammers into that 2nd fret. Okay, so it's, and then he slides that 2nd finger up to 5 frets from the capo on the 5th string, just moves up on same string, 5 to fret 5, and then slides it back down to the 2nd fret, and then an open 5th string. Okay, so what we've got is this. Got that? Do it slowly for you. It's from the beginning. Got that? Okay, and he goes into an A minor chord. And he goes to a C5. Okay, so far, let's get to the A minor then. So. Then goes to this C5 chord, okay? Bar chord on the 3rd fret from the capo, and then just 2 fingers on the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string, and my pinky, that's on my 3rd finger, and my pinky is playing the 5th fret from the capo on the 3rd string. It should sound like that. Again, we're only playing the bass half of the string, not tending to hit these 2 at all, okay? And then we go to a G chord. Again, the bassy end of the spectrum. Just the first 4 strings, 6, 5, 4, 3. That sort of thing. Okay? So the whole thing is. Got it? Let's go through that for you again. Whole thing. Then we go back to the F and he starts singing, well, I barely know if I'm alive tomorrow. And basically it's the same chords as the intro for the verse, okay? It's just the F to the G, not playing the top strings at all, just to lower these strings here, okay? Then the A minor, then the C5, and then the G. Okay, so I'll do the intro now slowly, and the first verse. Okay, the second verse is identical. Okay, different words. Okay, so. Repeat the intro. Right, here we go into the verse. I barely know if I'm alive tomorrow, let alone the people I trust will stay. So I'm needing while I'm breathing is to content to see, and I'm hoping tomorrow I'll away. Second verse is exactly the same. I don't think those pretty girls are right for me. If I don't fall the shallow pleasantries, and the conversation's nice for a little kingdom back to a soul that prefers silence to the trees. Okay? So 2 verses exactly the same to play, and it's the same chords as the intro basically. Okay, and then we do the pre-chorus, and again it's the same chords again, but this time he stops on each chord basically. So it comes out of the second verse to a soul that prefer silence and the trees, and this world expecting so much for G. So F to G as usual, A minor, Saturdays and he can barely stand. So it's just a single strum on each chord change. Okay, and this world's expecting so much from this man who gets correct on Saturdays that he can barely stand. Repeat, and if you could cut some slack, I got good times on my lap. A minor, and I'd like to feel as I still can. Exactly the same as a verse, but it's just stabs on each chord change. Okay, and then we go into the chorus, which is a little bit different. So as I got A minor, ho into G, more O, and C, regret yesterday, repeat. And if you could find a way to forgive me, and maybe I could find just a little peace of mind, carry on tomorrow, hopefully, and carry on tomorrow, hopefully. Intro. To the next pre-chorus. Okay, so the actual chorus is basically A minor, G, C, F, repeat, and it's like 5 lines of that. So it's, and what you do is when you go to the C, you do this, you play the C, open up that second finger, and then the next time you strum it, you hammer into it. And then you do the F the same. You play the F, open up that second finger, and then hammer into it. Okay, so it's because I got hope in tomorrow and regret, that sort of thing. Okay, and it just repeats that every time you play that sequence. Okay, so from the beginning, coming out of the pre-chorus, to like to feel like that while I can. I got hope in tomorrow and regret yesterday. And if you could find a way to forgive me, and maybe I could find just a little peace of mind, hopefully, and carry on tomorrow, hopefully. An intro. The idea, so there you have it. That's all I can show you about that. So get all the bits there, go away and play it. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.